Meaning of in-laws.
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 In-laws. The term in-laws refers to a person's relatives by marriage, specifically the relatives of one's spouse. For example, a person's mother-in-law and father-in-law are considered their in-laws. Additionally, the siblings of one's spouse are also considered in-laws. The term can be used to refer to both the familial relationships and the individuals themselves. In-laws often play an important role in family dynamics and may be involved in family events such as holidays, weddings, and other celebrations. Understanding and navigating relationships with in-laws can be an important aspect of building strong, healthy family relationships.